Hello everyone, welcome back to another Tooltip Tuesday. Here I have a diameter 10 corner radius end mill and on RN34.1 update 127 there's a new parameter added, which is the tangential option under the corner section. Now before this update we had a option of only option was to use the transition option, which basically means that extension is applied right from the point where the radius is ending, and depending on shank to end of tool or end of tool to shank, this extension was applied with an angle and with a length parameter. But now with the tangential option, you can see that the same angle and the length is used, but instead it will automatically calculate the tangent and the start point of the grinding is shifted. In the transition, as a reminder, it was at the end of the arc, but with the tangential option, the tangent is used closest to the arc. Now, the benefit of this is, as you can see, with the transition option, we will end up having a transition mark, which is unacceptable in certain cases. As you can see, depending on the angle chosen, you can clearly see that there's a transition, and that's the end of the arc. But by selecting tangential, you can see that this is going to be much more smoother in blending into the eccentric OD. So the option to select the tangential corner extension is available only corner end or corner only grind move. I hope this tip is helpful to you. Thank you for watching and see you next time.